说中文。
Chinese pot, Chinese pot, Chinese pot. That's the way to learn Chinese. Chinese pot, Chinese pot, Chinese pot. That's the way to learn Chinese.
Hello there, newbies. This is Chinese Pod bringing you a lesson in spoken Mandarin coming to you from Shanghai, China. My name is Ken Carroll.
Hello, I'm Jenny.
And we're talking about our feline friends
Yes.
today.
Miss Kitten.
Kittens,
Yes,
cats and kittens.
cats.
Okay, good. How do you say the word cat in Chinese, please, Jenny?
猫 Mao.
Mao. First tone, right?
Yes. Should be easy to remember as it sounds so much similar to meow.
It kind of does, yeah.
Yeah.
Mao, and remember the first tone. As opposed to the word for hat, which is fourth tone. How would that sound?
Mao. Mao.
Okay, so remember, your cat comes first. It's your first tone. Mao. All right, so let's listen to the dialogue about the Mao, and then we'll listen 3 times, and then we'll come back and we'll do something with it.
Dialogue first time.
咪咪，你在哪儿？
你有猫？
对呀、咪咪，过来。
哇，它真可爱。
Second time.
咪咪，你在哪儿？
你有猫？
对呀、咪咪，过来。
哇，它真可爱。
Third time.
咪咪，你在哪儿？
你有猫？
对呀、咪咪，过来。
哇，它真可爱。
All right, let's try and translate this one.
Sure. 咪咪，你在哪儿？
Mimi, where are you?
咪咪，你在哪儿？
Where are you, Mimi?
咪咪，你在哪儿？你有猫？
Oh, you have a cat?
你有猫？
Do you have a cat?
你有猫？对啊，咪咪，过来。
Yes, I do. Mimi, come here.
对啊，咪咪，过来。
Yes, I do have a cat. Mimi, come over here.
对啊，咪咪，过来。哇，它真可爱。
Wow, he's really cute.
哇，它真可爱。
Oh, he's really cute.
哇，它真可爱。
Okay, now let's take apart this masterpiece. First of all, the name for the cat was...
咪咪，
I think Mimi kind of functions at the same level as kitty, right?
Yes.
Here, kitty, kitty. Where does the Mimi thing sound come from?
also from the sound meow.
Okay, so that's what it is. It's a kind of almost like a generic.
Yeah.
It could be male or female, the cat,
Yes.
right? All right, and so it's a way to call a cat. So one more time, this is how you call a cat in Chinese.
咪咪，咪咪。
So whether or not the cats understand Chinese is debatable, but that's
It's
what
a
you say.
generic nickname.
Indeed. Now, the question that came was, where are you?
你在哪儿？你在哪儿？
你在哪儿? Now, this is...
Very handy.
it
Not
really
only
is.
used for the feline family.
Exactly. Now, it basically means, we'll look at it again in a second. Could we hear that 2 more times, just for the music of it, please?
你在哪儿？你在哪儿？
Great. Now, basically, it means, where are you? And let's look at the 3 elements. Could you tell us about those, please?
你 third tone and can of course you know that means you.
It means you.
The pronoun.
Yes.
And the last word 哪儿哪儿 means where.
Yes.
And you're left with 在 fourth tone, that is the verb to be.
To be. Good. So, literally translated, it would be you are where. There you go. So, one more time. Could we hear that, please, Jenny?
你在哪儿？你 在哪儿?
Now, you're talking on the phone to someone in China or somebody calls you and you can just practice your first sentence and say, 你在哪儿?
Yes.
Where are you? Or, I don't know, somebody's in a room or in a building or upstairs or wherever it is or outside the door and you want to know where they are, you can say,
你在哪儿?
there you go. Now, your friend here is didn't realize you have a cat. So she asks you, oh, you have a cat.
你有猫? 你有猫?
Now, 你有猫, the music of it is fun too.
Yeah.
你有猫, you have, literally translated, tell us about those three characters.
You have a cat.
Yes.
that's
Literally, you have
literally.
cat.
Yes.
Okay.
Greetings, everyone, and welcome to Chinese Pod Trivia. Our first question is, how long will it take you to become an intermediate Chinese speaker using the Chinese Pod app? Is it A, the rest of your life? B, you should already be an intermediate speaker? C, 3 months? Or D, Chinese Pod has an app?
You should already be in.
Ooh, that is incorrect. The correct answer is C, 3 months. That's right. Head over to ChinesePod.com now to register for your access to over 4,000 lessons. Get the Chinese Pod app now on Google Play or the App Store.
Because again, we had the pronoun you, and that is
你
the verb to have is,
有
and of course, the cat is called.
猫
So literally translated is you have cat, but clearly it means
It's a question.
It's a question. So one more time, please. Oh, do you have a cat?
你有猫? 你有猫?
Yeah. So a kind of informal way to say yeah, and that is
对啊
okay, 对啊, meaning, well, yes, I do.
Yeah.
Fine. Let's hear that again, please.
对啊
There you go.
And then you address the cat again.
And you call the cat.
咪咪
Now, the expression to come here is
过来
good. Now, the verb to come is,
来
and so the 过 means essentially to come across.
Yes, to pass.
To pass. So literally, it would mean something like pass, come, something along that line. I mean, 过来. What you need to remember is 过来 means come here. Come over
yeah.
here. Again, you could use that. Teacher might say it to a student in a classroom. She might say,
过来
or parents might say it. You could just say it to your friend for some reason. 过来. Okay, there you go. Come over here. And when you're quite like, you're wowed by the sheer cuteness of the creature, you go.
Wow.
So it's wa.
Yeah.
Okay. Wa, first tone, right? All right. And then she's or he's or it's really cute.
它真可爱
Now, 它 means it,
Yes.
as in the creature. And 可爱 means
Lovely.
lovable.
Cute.
Lovely, lovable, cute. Literally translated, it means lovable.
Yes.
可爱, meaning you could love this creature.
Yeah.
And really, the expression here is
真 first tone.
真. All right, so when you put it together, really cute, you get.
真可爱
I'm sure people say that about you all the time, Jenny. 真可爱.
Haven't got that in 20 years. Thank you.
Okay, I don't believe you. Anyway, so again, it's really cute.
它真可爱
So there you go. This could be your first lesson in Mandarin. You're talking about your friend's cat. There you go.
It's a lovely way to start.
It is, and it's got some high-frequency language. Now, you can follow up on that high-frequency language by going to ChinesePod.com, exploring it, seeing the characters, integrating. I'm big on, the visual aspect. You have to see the characters. You really do. And then you need to integrate them. And the idea is that on ChinesePod.com, there are lots of ways to integrate your learning on different levels, on different dimensions. You see it, you hear it, you see it in different contexts, hear it in different contexts. You do exercises, you fill
Yeah.
in gaps, you do all these things. And all of this is more and more exposure to the content. And it just brings depth, cognitive depth to your learning, because that's what it's all
Brilliantly
about.
put.
Oh, thank you very much. Now, we have to go, miss.
Oh, can I just say one more
Yes,
last thing?
certainly, yes.
The king, Elvis, he is known as 猫王 in
猫王.
Chinese. Yeah, why is that? The cat
The Cat King, literally translated. That's great.
Yes.
That's a great anecdote. Mao Wang, the Cat King. I have no idea why he is
Maybe
compared with a cat.
Our parties can enlighten us.
Well, okay, that would be very interesting. If anybody knows why they call Elvis the Cat King,
Let
we'd
us
love
know.
to know. Okay. Gotta go. We'll be back again tomorrow with another lesson. But right now it's time to say 再见.
And 3 times more dialogue. 再见.
再见.
Dialogue first time.
咪咪，你在哪儿？
你有猫？
对呀，咪咪，过来。
哇，它真可爱。
Second time.
咪咪，你在哪儿？
你有猫？
对呀，咪咪，过来。
哇，它真可爱。
Third time.
咪咪，你在哪儿？
你有猫？
对呀，咪咪，过来。
哇，它真可爱。
As usual, ChinesePod provides an extensive selection of learning materials for this lesson on its website, www.chinesepod.com. You can access this lesson directly with the lesson number,
0576
so just go to www.chinesepod.com/,
0576
and you will find a transcript, vocabulary, and much more. The link again, www.chinesepod.com/.
0576